Hello everyone, we're coming to you from the Harlingen Public Library. My name is Margaret, this is Eva. Today we're going to be doing our little snowman made out of socks. And we're going to show it to you closely.
There you go.
Super easy and fun for you, for your kids to help out or to give away to. So first we're going to be needing, these are our little embellishments that we get from our craft stores. Ribbon, rice, uncooked, scissors, more embellishments, and jewelry beads. And of course, our socks and rubber bands. And pins.
Just in case you wanna use them as well.
Yeah, for your little eyes. So Eva's gonna be showing us how to make this quick and easy craft.
Okay, so we have our sock right here, and we're gonna cut it right over here on the bottom part.
Where the heel part is?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start right at the heel here.
You can buy new socks, or you can invade your dad's socks or brother's socks. Make sure they're new or clean, and white, of course.
Yes. All right. So my sock is cut. Here's my other half, and this is what we're gonna be using.
So keep both socks?
Yes, we keep both socks, and we're gonna come right now back to. Now we're gonna fill them in with some rice, and we're gonna be using our little tool to help us to put in the rice in.
That's from a mason jar, the top, the lid, and it's quicker and easier just to pour in your rice. If you don't have one, just use a little cup and pour it in.
Yes, I should have used my measuring cup, but I just forgot it, so I'm going to be using my hand.
So it's probably like 3 cups of rice, or 2.5?
Rice, maybe. Now that they're already filled in my sock with the rice, now we're going to put a rubber band here right on the top.
So these are the small rubber bands?
Yes, these are the small ones, but you can use any size you have it.
Okay.
You can even use those from the newspaper.
Okay. Or small ribbon, maybe?
Small ribbon. You can also use ribbon.
Just to tie it on the top, so the rice won't fall.
So now that we have it here, we're gonna come in here in the middle, and we're gonna leave, this will be our top part.
So you're just dividing the stomach, or the little bottom part, and his little head.
Yes. So now I'm gonna need some ribbon, Margaret. And I'm gonna be using some of this ribbon. Preferably white, because our sock is white. So when we do our decoration in the middle, you won't see much of this in there.
Now, can you still put a rubber band if just to make it?
If you can fit a rubber band, yes. Yes, you can. So now here, we tie it as much as we can, so we can separate. So now that I cut the ribbon here, that I already tied the ribbon, now I'm gonna cut it, so it won't show on when we do our decoration in the middle. Okay, so here you can choose any size you want to be, so you can put the little eyes on our snowman, kind of following this pattern right here. I'm gonna be using some pins on mine right now.
And these are the ones that have the colored little head. You can use black for the eyes, orange, red for the nose.
Yes, I'm gonna be using some black here. So I'm just gonna put it here and here.
And I'm gonna be using jewelry beads for the eyes, and I will be using the glue gun. Those are my eyes.
Oh wow, these are my little eyes. And we'll continue. with our decoration, our ribbon. So now I'm gonna use the glue gun to just close this one in. Okay, just be careful with that, it's hot. And I'm just gonna close it. So there's my ribbon. That's a decoration. To do the little hat over here on the top, now we're gonna cut from this size, which was probably for a large.
Yeah,
This was our
yeah.
large sock. I'm just gonna cut like maybe up to here.
So this is gonna be the little hat.
Yes, that's gonna be our little hat.
So this is only one large sock?
Yes. And we can put it like in there, but before I do that, Margaret, I'm gonna put it upside down.
Oh, okay, for the
I'm gonna turn
texture.
it, and then I'm gonna put in a rubber band here again. So I'm gonna be using a rubber band so I can enclose my
There you
top.
go. Very cute. And so there we're just hiding the little top.
Yes, we're just hiding the top.
Okay.
Okay, now we turn it. And this will be our little snowman hat right here. I think mine was a little bit too big, right?
Well, you
I
can
might-
always fold this
You
part.
can
That's what I
always-
did,
that's
because
what
mine
you
was a
did?
little bit
Okay.
bigger. And so I
So-
just put a little,
So let's fold it. You know what I'm
Yeah.
gonna do? I'm gonna use some of this material and I'm gonna put it inside of my little hat. So we're recycling
yes.
to make it. Let me fix up my little snowman here.
And there's some more little embellishments for your snowman, if you want to put buttons.
All right, Margaret.
All right, let's
Here's
show our
mine.
finished product.
Oh my gosh, look at
Of course. So I don't know if you could see them, but they came out so adorable. I hope you like it. Follow us on Facebook. You'll see these and more items on our Harlingen Public
let me do
Library
the other one
website.
here,
Oh
sorry.
yeah. Now we have a little family.
Family of snowmans. Bye.
Thank you all.
Thank you for
Bye-bye.
watching.